So the back alleys are really great places to find some delicious street food.
Steamed rice roll is a popular street food here in Hoiping, China, also known as Kaiping in Mandarin. It's a traditional snack made of rice and water, cooked the modern way in a powerful steam machine.
And there's a beef brisket stew, and some green onions. Somebody else is never here with eggs and lettuce and green onions. The quick way to make breakfast here with the rice rolls, cut into small pieces. This is a fantastic place for steamed rice rolls. Mine had the beef brisket in it, a real tasty treat. So you can find these street food in little places. I've had this about 4 or 5 times since I've been in Hoiping and Sinhui. So a real fast, easy breakfast. It's all put together and then cut in small pieces. It's a real tasty breakfast. My favorite topping here, beef brisket. A little oil there. And soy sauce.
Now it's time to try my steamed rice roll.
So I discovered some really good eating places in the alleys. So the local people come here. So when you come here, you pay the local prices, and also you get the real good food. So last time I was here, they didn't have the beef brisket rice roll, but now it seems to be very popular. Quite a few outlets have it. A few years ago, there was only one person that was serving these rice rolls, but now there seems to be a lot of operations. There's an operation right next door. I like the people in this restaurant, really friendly and really tasty food here. I've had the stir-fried chow mein. I've also had the beef brisket noodles using the power steamer. But my favorite is the rice roll. A pretty good deal here. Works out to 80 cents, and you get the rice roll, the big pieces of beef in there with the rice roll. Tên sai gai. Hoiping China. 我係中意呢全部時常發作。開啦，佢哋牛腩歡開。我翻到回家奶呢，唔係幾開嘅，家奶人呢講咁冇。空翻嚟幫手唔使試。要講嘅唔係幾開。啊，要講得產啊開咩嘛？我度開人呢，我係牛肉麵 A 入櫃，我開 A 入櫃。我家奶呢豉油水係咁。Talking to a lady about the food here. It's better here in Hoiping than in Vancouver because they use a lot of the different kind of ingredients that more costly in Canada, so they just don't use it. They use what they call the crude drugs. The crude drugs are the traditional ingredients to put into soup. So I actually had a beef noodle soup the other day where they actually use the crude guts, and then you get more taste. Whereas in Canada, a lot of places they serve the beef noodle soup, they just put a bit of MSG and soy sauce in there, so there's not much taste. People get used to it, and the standards are a lot of times not as high. So when I come here, I notice the difference.
Just had a tasty steamed rice roll here with beef brisket. It's a real tasty snack for breakfast or lunch or whenever. So if you get a chance, come visit here. It's near the New World Hotel in the alley. A lot of fantastic street food in the alley here. You're there with me having the street food here in Hoiping, China. So this steamed rice roll is very popular. There's actually 3 places side by side. Thanks for checking out my video. And please give me a thumbs up. And be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. And please subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my other channel, the Chinese Cooking Channel. So the Chinese Cooking Channel won the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And it was also awarded the top 40 best China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe. Just press the button